Stop! Come here, check this out. If you have a really, really bad toothache pain, or you've ever had one, this is what you're gonna do. Go into the freezer and pull out that ice tray. And bang! And bang! Come on! Bang! Again? Damn it. Alright, now that we finally have the ice cube, this is what you're gonna do with it. So what you're going to do is you're going to take it and you're going to squeeze it in between your thumb and your index finger just like this and put it right in that V-shaped spot in between those two fingers and squeeze it and hold it just like this. And science has proven that this is supposed to eliminate tooth pain by 50%. Also, if you hate the hiccups just as much as I do, I hate them. What you can do to stop them, apparently, is breathe in as deep as you can, hold that breath as long as you can. When you can't hold it anymore, exhale slowly.